This is Railman 300 today. It's going to be the Tornado siren testing, August 15th, 2018. It's 11:58, guys. It's about to go off in 2 minutes. We're going to hear it soon. We're waiting for them to go off. Guys, it's about to go off. It's already 11:58. It's about to go off. It's 11:59 now, guys. It's about to go off. Guys, you're about to hear it. It's 11:59 now. It's going off soon. It's about to go off in a minute. It's 11:59 still. Tornado sirens are about to go off in 1 minute. Alright, it's almost there. It's 11:59 still. We're about to hear it. It's still 11:59. Now it's noon, guys. Here we go. Alright, guys, it's going to go off again. It's about to go off again. We're about to hear it. Here we go, guys, in just a second. We're about to hear it go off again. Any minute now. Alright, guys, that's it. Bye.